Imagine replacing your noisy, oil-dependent air compressor with an HPDMC ultra-quiet, oil-free model, transforming your automotive business. Oil stains, ruined paint, jammed tools, these invisible cost killers lurk in every auto repair shop every single day. Meet the HPDMC oil-free compressor. 100% clean air, no paint flaws, no tire seepage, tools last longer. Enjoy ultra-quiet performance at just 65 decibels, quieter than a conversation. Work late, take calls, and avoid noise complaints. Multi-voltage compatible, 110 to 240 volts, no problem. Reliable power anywhere, even with unstable current. Auto drain tech, anti-freeze to -30, no rust. Starts instantly, even in extreme cold. One machine, every job. Inflate to 36 psi in 90 seconds, power all air tools, mobile for field repairs, build trust. Trusted by over 862 repair shops nationwide. Still stuck in the past? Visit HPDMC to learn more.